Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and if you suffer from color blindness, one of the things that can impact color blindness is, of course, viewing on a computer screen when the colors are not necessarily set right for your own usage. So in Windows 11, there is a feature that is called color filters that can help you change the colors of the general usage of Windows and the screens and the settings and so on to help you see better if you are a victim of color blindness. Right click on the start button, go into the settings and go into accessibility. Here you will have color filters. It says here color blindness filters, grayscale, inverted. So here you have the options. You can turn it on and then choose either the color filters that are already there, which means that it will apply everywhere and help you use your PC if there are some problems with the viewing. So you have different options available: red, green, weak, depending on the color. You have a color filter preview profile here. The wheel will help you actually see if that is, of course, the proper colors for you. And so you can choose between different scales and different colors to try to help out in making the viewing a little better. It could be just grayscale, so everything is black and white basically. Grayscale inverted, which means it's white text on black background most of the time, and totally inverted here with all the different colors and different options. So you have these available, these color filters that will help you choose if you want colors that might actually make it a little easier on your eyes. And hopefully these will help out if you are a victim of color blindness. Sometimes changing colors and you choosing the proper color filters might actually help you see a little better on the screen. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.